Today here's in this full video I will show you how to sign up on Houseparty app. Please watch the full video till end to learn how to sign up on Houseparty. So now let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your device. Once you are here, then go to search and search for Houseparty. After search, you can see the app at the top. Now install it, or if it is already installed, then update it with latest version. You can see here for more informations about this app. After installed, open it to sign up. Here, simply tap on sign up. Next here, enter your email ID. Next, enter your full name. Next, enter username. Make sure you have to change your username if it is already exists. Next, you will need to enter password. Now tap on birthday to select your birth date, birth month and birth year. So simply here scrolling down and up and select your birth date. Please make sure enter valid information. So after done with all this, tap next. Now enter your mobile number. After this, tap on send SMS so that you will get code from this app. Now here enter the code which you got. Now you will need to give some permissions for this app, so tap next and then tap OK, or else you can skip it. Here you can add your friends or tap next. Here add friends or tap next. Now you will need to give permissions, so simply tap on camera and mic, then tap OK to access camera, mic and notifications. Now tap next. Here again tap next. Now from here you can turn on private mode. Simply turn toggle on, then tap next. Here that's all done. I hope this video will helpful to you. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you so much.